Now, I'm not sure these even need any introduction, because I bet you've already guessed what these little beauties are. But for those who are still wondering, today we're making these super delicious, extra crispy onion bhajis. Just before we get started, if you like my content, please remember to like and subscribe. Let's start with the onions, which I've cut in half and sliced. You want to keep the onions fairly thin, like I've done here. And just as a guide, these slices were about 2mm thick. Next, we need to bring in the flavour. So to the onions, add fresh coriander, green chillies, which is optional. If you don't like too much heat, then just leave them out. Ginger paste, cumin seeds, which I've lightly crushed, ground coriander, chilli powder, ground turmeric, salt, and finally I'm going to add some lemon juice. And this is what will really make the flavour of your onion bhajis pop. Now mix everything together, then let the onions sit for 10 minutes. During this time, the salt will draw the moisture out of the onions, and this will help to form the batter when we add the flour, which we'll do next. First, I'm going to add a bit of rice flour. This will make your onion bhajis extra crispy, but if you don't have it, you can just leave it out. Next, we'll add the gram flour, which I'll do in stages. Add some flour, mix well, then add some more. Because this recipe doesn't use any additional water, it's just so much easier to do it this way than throwing all the flour in together. Once the mixture's ready, it will be thick and sticky. That's perfect. As the onions continue to release water, the mixture will loosen up a bit, and this will give you the right consistency for frying. Now separate the mixture into portions, but don't try to make balls. Keep the mixture loose, because this is how you get crispy onion bhajis that aren't dense and doughy in the middle. Now it's time to fry. To a wok, karai or deep pan, add oil about half the way up and turn the heat to medium. Drop a piece of mixture into the oil to test the temperature is ready for frying. If it sizzles, comes to the surface and doesn't brown immediately, then it's ready. Drop a few portions of mixture into the oil. Fry for 3 to 4 minutes or until lightly golden brown. Then turn and cook for another 3 to 4 minutes on the other side. Once golden and crispy on both sides, remove from the oil and drain on kitchen paper. At this stage, your onion bhajis are ready to eat. However, if you want them extra crispy, then turn the heat up to medium-high, drop your onion bhajis back into the oil and fry for another 20 to 30 seconds. Once they're golden and crispy, remove from the oil, drain on kitchen paper, and you've got yourself a plate of the most delicious onion bhajis. Now grab a bowl of green chutney or tomato ketchup and dip away.